In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Agoda phone number. If you are looking for this option within the Agoda mobile app, you won't find it because the app does not allow you to directly update your phone number. Instead, you need to use a browser, either on your computer or your mobile device. For demonstration purposes, I'll show you how to do it on a mobile browser. Open Chrome or any browser of your choice and type in agoda.com. Once you land on the Agoda website, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see the option called My Profile and tap on it. This will open your profile settings where you can manage your personal information. In this section, you will see your phone number listed. To change it, tap on the Edit option next to the phone number field. From here, you can select your country or region if necessary, and then type in your new phone number. After entering your number, tap on Continue at the bottom of the page. At this stage, Agoda will give you two options. You can either save the phone number without verification, or you can verify it. If you choose to verify, tap on the Send Me OTP option, and Agoda will send you a one-time password which you will have to enter here on their website to verify your number. If you don't want to do it, you can simply tap on Save Without Verifying. Once completed, your new phone number will be successfully updated in your Agoda account and will automatically be reflected in your bookings. And this is how you can change your Agoda phone number.